Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, ready check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Don't forget to follow. Yes, sa mga naghanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo, ha? Okay, so message lang and don't forget to follow rin. Salamat. And ang ating mga all-in-one evil eye items, so lahat po is available ngayon. Nag-restock ako ulit. Okay, so message lang kayo if you're interested. And pagdating sa ating love bracelet, made to order po ang ating love bracelet. Okay, so meron naman akong mga video doon sa ibang video. Meron naman akong sige, papakita ko na lang para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ha. Okay. So, ang ating ang ating love bracelet. Okay, 7 inches long. Okay. Pwede sa single, pwede sa may karelasyon at pangit ang sitwasyon. Okay, mga ganyan. Anything na merong conflict pagdating sa mga relationship, pwede sa'yo to. Okay, so ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng love, peace, and harmony. Ito yun, ha. Siyempre, plus na, plus yung mga gagawin ko pa rito, ha, yung mga ibibigay ko pa dito sa bracelet na to. Okay, so yes, if you're interested, message lang. And ganun rin pagdating dito kay Granter necklace natin. Okay, so ganito naman si Granter. Yan siya. Oh no. Okay, so ganyan ang ating Granter necklace. Okay, so acrylic, so para siyang naka-glass. Okay, so sa likod is ganun din po, ha. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long po yung chain. Okay, so wala siyang extender, ha, unlike our evil eye necklace. Wala siyang extender. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Oh no. Okay, so ganyan lang ating Granter, and yes, made to order again. So parehong naka-box po itong dalawang ito, ha. Pareho silang ang ganda. Ang gandang pagsamahin, no. Oh my. Okay, so ang tawag dyan, may mga boxes po, ha, itong ating mga itong mga special natin, ha. Okay, so anyway, okay, so kung may mga tanong pa po, ha, message na lang, and don't forget to follow our FB page. Okay, so let's start the reading with air signs. Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Ano bang meron? Okay, the Knight of Swords in reversed. Meron kayong mga tatapusin agad-agad. May mga hindi na para i-delay, hindi na para i-pending. Okay. Iba sa inyo, may chance na ito, may mga uuwi. Like may mga biglaang uuwi, madaling, hindi ko ma-explain. I'm channeling. Okay, meron ditong mga biglaang darating na parang simple as uuwi ng maaga, parang ganyan, to celebrate something, parang ganyan. Okay. Merong mapapaagang okasyon. Opo, may mapapaagang okasyon. Ano tong Knight of Swords in reversed? Let's see. The Page of Wands. I'm seeing here get together. Okay, pwedeng may mga sisimulan. I don't know if this is talking about business. Pwedeng business to, pwedeng may pagkikita. It's like unexpected. Okay, parang mga ganyan. May mga pagkikitang mangyayari dahil may mga planong gagawin or may mga ine-execute. Okay, lalo na business. Okay. What else? Four of Swords. What's with the Four of Swords? Oh. Someone is moving on. A water sign, an air sign like you. Or maybe you're just moving on from a water sign. Okay, specifically a Scorpio. Yeah, nakaka-let go na yung iba sa inyo or unti-unti na makaka-move on actually. Okay? Yeah. Oh. So, nandyan yung forgiveness. Okay? So, nandyan yung acceptance. Yeah, the justice is here. Okay? So, yung iba rito, nakakakuha ko ng energy na kaya nakaka-move on is meron ng nagugustuhang iba. Or merong lumalapit na iba sa inyo. Aminin. Amin. Oo, pag may time. O, diba? Okay. The Six of Cups. Parang merong nang nalapit. Oo. Pero, yeah, nandun pa rin yung sabihin nating napatawad mo na rin naman yung past. Okay? Here, yeah, you're starting na mag-heal na actually. Okay. Start loving yourself, mga ganyan. Anyway, what else for air signs? What else? The Six of Pentacles. Okay. What's with that? Some of you, meron ako dito nakikitang messages, like back and forth messages. Reply, chat ka, re-reply siya. Pagka-reply niya, re-reply ka. Ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Anyway. May magso-sorry. May mga magbabayad ng utang. Yan, nakikita ko. Okay. What's with these? Six of Pentacles. The Two of Swords. Meron ditong gagawa ng isang decision. Okay? Whether bigyan or hindi. Magbigay or hindi. Okay? Ano tong Six of Pentacles? What's with this? Yeah, the King of Swords Universe. Kasi meron ditong takot na magkamali. May gagawin decision. Yung iba sa inyo, it's like talking about kaperahan or a new beginning. Okay? With maybe a fire sign. Yeah. Avoid ninyo yung pagiging transparent. Okay? Pagdating sa mga taong nakagawa ng issue sa inyo. Okay? So, if you need to guard yourself from them, do it. Okay? Huwag kayo maging transparent, yeah. The Ace of Cups is in the reverse. So, avoid nyo lang din muna yung pagiging maawain if ever. If ever you're maawain. No? Oo. Avoid nyo muna yung maawa ka. Oo, sa mga tao na parang nakagawa ng hindi tama sa'yo before. Okay? Siyempre, kung gusto mong gumawa ng decision, wag muna yung awa, wag muna yung emosyon. Okay? Practical lang. Praktikalan lang muna. Okay, so there. May mga nagtatago dito. May mga nagtatago dahil nakagawa ng hindi tama. Natatakot sa pwedeng ipataw sa kanila. Parang ganon. Okay, so anyway. Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Anong messages for fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. Ooh, the Sun. Your first card. Oo. Ito yung pinakamaganda. Happiness. What's with this? Some of you, this is another additional sa family. So, may chance ng pregnancy rito. Okay, surprise, mga ganyan. Yeah. Vacation for some of you. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. May nakukuha ko rito na merong magandang paparating, pero this is sabihin natin may mga responsibilidad na kaakibat. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. This is nice though. Oo, may nakukuha kong opening pagdating sa business. Yeah. New opportunities. Okay, new plans na pwedeng may execute agad. Actually. Okay. 360 degrees changes na pwedeng mangyari, lalo na sa pagdating sa pamemera mo. Okay? You have here the Wheel of Fortune. This is luck. Claim it. And the Sun, this is the sabihin natin pinakamagandang card dito sa tarot. Okay? Consisting of positive energy and clarity, mga ganyan. Okay? What else for fire signs? May mga pagbabago talaga na mangyayari rin, actually. Okay, the Four of Cups. What's with this Four of Cups? So there's a water sign who is thinking. Why? What's with the Four of Cups? Yeah, ooh, kaya pala. So meron silang itinatagong love for you. A water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Meron ditong parang gumugusto na makuha yung attention mo. Yeah, they're trying to be patient. Sitting down, waiting patiently. O, diba? Okay. So, sino tong King of Cups na ito? Why are they being quiet? Or why are they holding back their emotions? Bakit? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng meron ditong tawag dyan energy ng another person involved. So that is why they're holding back their emotion, no? Okay. Yeah, yes, meron. Oo. Anyway. Diba? Meron din dito takot ma-reject, actually. Mga what ifs. Yeah. Someone is concerned pagdating sa health mo. Okay. What else for fire sign? The Three of Wands in reversed. May mga babalik, may mga uuwi. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. May nakikita ko dito parang may papas ha. That's channeled, okay? That's channeled, yeah. Page of Pentacles. Yung iba rito may mga i-reject. Ano tong Three of Wands? Na offer, ha? Ano tong Three of Wands in reverse? Yeah, see the Empress in reversed. Death. May mga i-reject. Some of you meron ditong hidden pregnancy. Actually. Okay? Sa isang third party. I'm sorry, pero nakakuha ko yun. Okay? Itatago yung pagbubuntis ng third party. I'm sorry. Yeah. To avoid problems. To avoid much larger na issue. Okay? Bigger issue. Parang ganyan. Yeah. And then actually, darating din yung panahon na malalaman mo. Yeah. Merong iiwan, merong aalis. Anyway, that's for future naman. So, sana mabago, no? Okay. So, next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Anong message for water signs, please? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the Empress in reversed. Ano tong hindi nag-i-improve? The Nine of Wands in reverse. Someone is too tired. Too tired. Someone is disappointed. Okay? Someone is like, sabihin natin nag-expect ng something, pero napapagod na, kakahintay, kaka-expect. Pagdating sa improvement or growth or leveling up maybe. Yeah, see? Oh, okay. If this, yeah, pwedeng regarding partnership or commitments. The Hierophant is in the reverse kasi maybe yung isa is hindi ganun kaseryoso. Excuse me. Hindi siya ganun kaseryoso. Yeah. I'm getting na pwedeng magkaroon ng separation din. Yeah. Yung iba rito, there's like unexpected, no, pregnancy. If you're not being careful, yes. Okay, so if you're not ready, don't do it. Yes, okay. Anyway. What else for water signs? Yeah, the sun in reversed. What's with the sun in reversed? Someone is sad. Strength. Someone is concerned about someone's health. Someone is holding back. Yeah, someone's emotion, sabihin natin, is hidden. Hidden. Okay? What's with the sun in reversed? Meron ako nakukuhang nade-drain. The Four of Cups in reversed. Parang walang pakialam. Someone is sabihin nating pinapakita sa inyo na okay lang sila, happy sila, pero deep inside they're not. Okay? They're not. Pero itong taong to, nandun yung love niya sa'yo actually. They like you. They love you. Yeah, the King of Swords. Mas pinipili na. They are choosing to be silent. Oo. And quiet. Holding back their true emotions pagdating sa'yo, water signs. Pwedeng Leo. There's a big placement here ng Leo. Okay, and yeah. Anyway, okay. So, what else for water signs? Water signs. Okay. The World in reversed. What's that? Okay. Ay, nako. Buhay. Oo, diba? Meron na naman ditong babalik. Oo. Pwedeng Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, and Leo. Okay? Babalik. This is someone from your past. Ha? Okay? Or maybe ikaw itong hindi pa rin maka-move on sa kanila. Yeah, there's separation here. Okay? So, pwedeng maka-apekto to, no, sa stability mo kung hindi mo ilalet go to. Okay, ano tong World in reversed? Yeah, you're just wasting your time if ever. Kung inihintay mo to, naglulungkot-lungkot ka, naglulumbay-lumbay sa hindi mo naman alam na kung anong meron. No, you're just wasting your time. Wasting your energy. Okay? So, yeah, the devil is here. It's too toxic. Yeah, it's too toxic. Some of you, nandyan yung, yung obsession. Pwedeng dumating na sa obsession, no? Yung inyong sitwasyon or yung nararamdaman mo sa isang tao. Kung hindi mo tutulungan yung sarili mo, someone is depressed. Okay, yeah. Mahirap to. This is commitments na. Talagang committed pa rin kahit wala na. Okay? Iba sa inyo yung may utang. Sabihin natin yung may mga nakagawa ng mali pagdating sa kaperahan nyo. Nakikita ko na dala-dala pa rin nila yung pera mo. Hindi pa rin ito magbabayad or hindi pa rin ito mag-fix na kung anumang issue meron sa inyo. Okay? So there. Next. Earth signs. Okay. So, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang message for Earth signs? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Shuffle muna natin ng kauntian. For you, Earth signs. Okay. So, the Queen of Wands. Okay, you're being attractive. Okay, you're like, head turner. Apple of the eye. Parang ganyan. This is attraction. Okay, Queen of Wands. The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Iba rito, kahit wala kang ginagawa, you're getting more or a lot of attraction. Okay? Yeah. Hindi lang isa, kundi marami. Ginagawa mo, Earth sign. Ha? Anong ginagawa mo? Oo. Meron din ditong parang pabida. Yung gusto sa kanya lang lahat ng attraction. Yes. Kahit wala namang alam, kahit wala namang say, walang K. Parang ganon. Ano tong Queen of Wands? May pabida sa workplace. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Okay. So, I think, meron dito, pwedeng nakikipagpaligsahan sa'yo to. Alam mo yon, yung pakiramdam mo nakikipagpaligsahan sa'yo yung tao. Okay? Iba sa inyo, meron ditong nagkakagusto sa inyo, pero they're too distant. Yeah, they're avoidant. Okay, they're avoidant. They're feeling the same way. Maybe mutual. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Hindi nila pinapakita eh. Why? Why the Eight of Coins in reversed? They're confused, see? Oh, diba? Meron ditong King of Cups. This person has emotion. Okay? So, they're confused, actually. Kasi naman itong nagkakagusto sa'yo. They're confused. Yeah, they're hiding their true feelings. Okay, anyway. What else for Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Meron ditong parang awkward, like hindi namamansin. Yes, So, what else for Earth signs? Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. What's with the Seven of Pentacles? Okay. Oh, the King of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong talagang naghihintay na kailan kaya magiging open sa emosyon itong taong ito. Yeah, see? They're thinking of you. May nag-iisip, may naghihintay. Tingnan natin ano itong King of Cups na naka-reverse na to. Anong meron dyan sa King of Cups in reverse? The Three of Wands in reversed. Some of them, hindi sila ganon kalaki yung tiwala pagdating sa sarili. Okay. Yeah. Hindi tuloy sila gumagawa ng action. Actually. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay, so Earth sign, I think, bakit ganun? Ang daming invested, no? Ang daming gumugusto sa inyo. Bakit ganun daw? Okay, kasi itong mga nandito, yeah, may mga tao kasi na involved, no? They like you. Okay? So, siguro kaya sila parang hindi sure kasi yung iba sa inyo talagang focus, no, sa stability. Andun din yung energy mo na nakaka-intimidate ka. Nakaka-intimidate. Earth sign, you're too intimidating. Oo. So, hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Yeah. Nandun yung parang natatakot sila na mag-open up ng emosyon, baka ma-reject mo or whatsoever. Okay? Nandun yung takot siguro. So, some of them, they're trying to, wait for the right timing. Para maging open sila sa'yo, mga ganyan. Someone is willing to, wait for you. Sa totoo lang. Okay? What else for earth signs? Okay, we have here 777. That's my lucky number. So we have here 7 of cups, 7 of pentacles, and 7 of wands. Hang on, sandali lang po ha. Okay, so yan, nasan tayo? So sabi ko, no, meron tayong angel number dito, 777. So in general, search na lang po ha. Okay? Kung ano pa yung another message, no, ni universe for you. 777. Di ba ang lucky? Okay. Lucky 7. Okay. So ano tong 7 of wands? What's with the 7 of wands? This is avoiding kung ano man. Blocking. The 6 of wands. The 6 of cups? What? The 10 of pentacles. Humabol para sa inyo. So this is money. Money is coming. Alam nyo, kapag may mga ganyang angel number, humingi kayo ng tawag dyan. Mag-wish kayo, ha? Mag-wish kayo. This is money. Money is coming. Diba gusto nyo yan? Yes, gusto natin yun. Okay. Someone, meron ditong magpupursue. Okay? Kasi itong 7 of wands for me, this is pursuing din naman eh. Okay? This is someone's emotion. Okay? The 6 of cups, energy rin ng past person. Yeah, may mga ganyan. Pero meron ditong parang nagkakaroon ng progress, no? Merong parang lumalalim yung emosyon para sa'yo. Yes. Parang lumalalim. Hanggat parang ina-avoid, hanggat parang i-deny, lalong lumalalim. Lalong nagiging strong. No, ano tong 6 of cups? Okay, yeah. Itong taong to, gugustuhin niya na parang lagi lang kayong magkasama. Okay, lagi lang magkasama. Gusto ka lagi nakikita. Yes. Okay. Yeah, see the judgment. Diba? Ace of Cups. This is, I think, some of you, this is, a new person. Yes. Meron ditong unti-unting mag-open ng doors for you or vice versa. Okay? So, I'm seeing travel here for some of you, earth signs. I'm seeing travel and iba't iba, marami na pwedeng mapuntahan, parang ganon. Like sabihin nating hindi mo masyadong bibigyan ng effort. I don't know why. Okay? So pwedeng iba sa inyo, mabigyan kayo ng may mag-grant or may tawag dyan, may mag-anyaya sa inyo, na pumunta sa ganito, sa ganyan. Yung hindi ka na para maghanap ng lugar na pwedeng puntahan kasi pwedeng may mga mag-iimbita sa'yo, mag-i-invite. Yes. Okay? So there, yes, yun lang muna ang ating reading para sa inyo, mga all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.